Bankers scale fence in Delta State as their customers express frustration over scarcity of new Naira notes.
Alima, gently, Shogbo. Gently, just move gently. Gently, don't be scared. Don't be scared, nothing. Just chop with your leg, gently. Bele. Okay. The Delta patrol team don't come. Neka, the Delta patrol team, where are they? Where? Let me then, they there now.
Let them come first.
Let them come. Where are they?
And they need to dig here.
No, the Delta Hawk patrol team, they don't come.
Mopo, now we go to come.
Delta Hawk soldiers, they don't come.
They don't come.
Delta Hawk don't come. No, the Naval base go see there now. Oh yeah, now go now. Make una dey fast. This kind of thing have to be fast. Okay. You don't need to be slow, fast. They no fit enter. Relax, just they do what you do. They can't go in. The major thing is for us to go through that place. Just go gently. See, there's no time. Just go. You are safe. Just go gently. Hold on. Make them they look now. Who cares?
They don't see person.
But they see now.
They never say anything. Once you do, you never say anything. I don't see you. They go now.
Your bag is safe. You have a sitting on your skin.
Yeah, bag. No, they don't cross a bit.
Where? They go.
The rest of us can fly this fence.
No, we'll fit carry. Gonna carry this thing. We'll fit even carry something. Say, gently, Neka, gently. Neka, here, you'd have given them the bag. Yeah, you try it, sir. Careful. Where the Delta Hawk? Yeah, carry that in, eh? How you want to turn them upside down, Abi? Wait, turn the thing. They can't come in.